Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content sharing with Buffer, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Buffer website at buffer.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in your details or sign up using an existing Google or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, log into Buffers. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Buffer dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts by clicking on the Manage Channels button. Choose the platforms you want to automate sharing for, such as Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your social media accounts. Once connected, return to the dashboard where you will see your accounts listed. Now, navigate to the Content tab at the top of the page. Here, you can add the content you want to share. Click on the What do you want to share box. Input your post content, including any links, text, or images. Once you've created your post, click the Add to Queue button. Repeat this process for as many posts as you'd like to share. Now, go to the Queue tab to manage your scheduled posts. You can reorder your posts by dragging them within the queue. To set a specific posting schedule, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, adjust your posting times according to your audience's engagement. You can also specify days of the week and preferred times. Next, return to the Content tab. Each time you add new posts, they will automatically adhere to your schedule. Finally, monitor the performance of your posts through the Analytics tab. Here, you can track engagement metrics to refine your content strategy. That's it. You've successfully automated your content sharing with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.